Have you ever thought about starting a profitable blog? A space on the internet that's entirely your own, where you can share your thoughts, ideas, and passions, and yes, even make some money out of it? Starting a blog isn't as daunting as it may seem. Today, we're going to break down the process into clear, manageable steps. So sit back and let's dive into the world of blogging. First things first, you need to choose a niche. Think about what you're passionate about. Is it fashion, technology, travel, or health and wellness? Or maybe it's something entirely different. A niche isn't just a topic, it's a perspective that you bring to your chosen topic. It's your unique voice in the grand conversation of the blogosphere. Next, consider your target audience. Who are they? What do they want to read about? Tailoring your content to your target audience will not only attract visitors, but also keep them coming back for more. Now it's time to build your blog. Choose a blogging platform that suits your needs. There are many platforms available, each with its own pros and cons. Do your research and pick the one that best fits your vision. A crucial aspect of blogging is SEO, which stands for search engine optimization. SEO is what makes your blog visible to search engines. It's about understanding what people are searching for online and making sure your blog is in a position to be found. There are many tools and resources available to help you with SEO. Once your blog is up and running, it's time to build an email list. An email list is a direct line of communication with your readers. It allows you to send updates, promote new posts, and build a community around your blog. Now, let's talk about making money. One of the most common ways to monetize a blog is through affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services on your blog and earning a commission for any sales made through your referral link. Another way to monetize your blog is through advertising. This could be through sponsored posts, where a company pays you to write a post about their product or service, or through display ads, where you earn money every time someone clicks on an ad on your blog. Lastly, connecting with brands is also a great way to monetize your blog. Reach out to brands that align with your blog's niche and audience. Offer to write reviews, host giveaways, or create sponsored content. So to summarize, choose a niche, consider your target audience, build your blog, optimize SEO, build an email list, and monetize through affiliate marketing, advertising, and connecting with brands. Starting a blog is an exciting journey. It's a way to share your passions, connect with others, and even earn a little or a lot of money. With patience, creativity, and a little bit of technical know-how, you can create a blog that is not only successful, but also deeply fulfilling. So why wait? Start your blogging journey today.